Hey all, Matt here with Bobcat Bonsai, and today we're going to be doing yet another unboxing, and I can't wait to see this little tree. I know I say normally that I don't like to have trees that I have to keep indoors and stuff, but this is a temptation that I just had to go after here. I'll open it up and let you see if you can figure out what kind of tree it is, and if not, I'll tell you after I open it. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, so I feel like this is a pretty nice positioning here. So let me just come over here and just get a little bit of boop. And come over to this side and get a little bit of boop. And across the top we'll just get a little swoop. And now we should be able to just simply pop this whole thing open here. Simply, right? As I try to reach around you. Alright, so if you want to check them out, focus. Elements Bonsai Nursery, Bonsai Garden in Kissimmee, Florida. Even has a number on there. So that's pretty cool. Here we go, let's focus in on the QR code. Alright, so now you can take a picture of the QR code too if you wanted to check anything out. I didn't show you the other one because I didn't want you to see what it was. That's just my receipt here. Lots of fancy receipts. Can you see the leaves a little bit? I can. Let's see. There we go. That was actually rather easy. I wasn't sure I was going to be able to get it out that simply. Alright, so we got it all out. It had some little flowers on there, if that helps any. Let me get you. There we go. Just a little flower. If that helps you figure out at all what it was. Maybe not. Let's get it all unwrapped real quick. Oh, still one more peanut that I didn't get. So I would love to get this potted up into a new pot right away. But because it just traveled and everything, I'm not 100% certain that's something I want to put it through today. Let's see. Gotta get the rest of these little guys out. It looks like it was just slip potted into this. Yeah, with some food. Just a quick little slip pot with the foods and everything, so. That's what we've got right there. Oh no, let me bring you down to the right level here, my friends. Maybe this will be a little bit better for you now. Kick you out. There we go. Now everything's as it should be. So we've got it right here. Let me take a little look-see real quick, see what I've got as far as pots go. I think I have some pretty solid options for this one. May not seem like it to you guys once you see the options that I'm looking at, but I think they're pretty solid options. So, man, I am just really unorganized today. we've got this pot right here, which it would drop into just perfectly as it is. That is an option. Then we have this one, which we'd build it up a little bit. No, I don't even think we'd build it up. We just drop soil around that and put it in there. Sorry, I'm not sure exactly what's growing around this, but I'm just gonna come through here and just weed it all. There we go. I'm pretty sure this should be the front right here, the way it's set. Just my thoughts though. I don't know. Because I really like the roots on this side, so it may just be something we need to figure out and get all wired into place yet. But since we're going to put it in a different pot, I don't think I want to risk wiring it. So we've got that one as an option as well. And then for our final option, we have this one right here. Now with this one, I'm going to have to disturb the root base. And whereas I love it and I think it's going to match perfect, I don't really want to disturb the roots on this pot or on this little guy right now. So this one's going to be out. If you do like this pot though, which I do, I think it's beautiful, check out Tori Salois of Blue Nose Trading. She does a lot of cool bonsai pots with exceptionally cool little feet on the bottom. So now that we sorted that out, we're down to gray and the brown. I think I definitely like this one a little bit more. Sylvester, stop being a goofball. So I think I'm just going to take this one and get it set inside here. And just take the roots and get them pressed down. Get everything pressed down in there just real good. And it's kind of like a square bowl, but then at the same time, it's kind of like a round and square all at the same time. So all I'm really doing here is just getting this pressed in and opening up around the outside edges so that I can get an appropriate setup for getting the next layer of soil in. There's a few leaves I want to get out of here. And sometimes things are easier to grab and move out when you do it with tweezers than when you're trying to just go at it. Oh no, that leaf went all the way down. Alright, let's check out. There we go, we'll get all this cleaned up and out. So let me just grab some bonsai soil here and I'll be right back with you. Alright, so grabbed a little bit of soil here. I'm just going to take and get that worked around the edges. So we're just working it down and in around the edges. Now I gotta try to there we go. Get around that little guy right there. And I'm really happy with it, guys. Definitely a very cool little, you ready? If you haven't figured it out by now, it is a Barbados cherry. Sorry, I was just trying to dump the rest of the fertilizing pellets back inside there. And now we'll just come in here and give it a little water down. And then here in a little while we should have a nice video on coming back and trimming and wiring this all up. We got some more little flowers getting ready to pop too, so that's going to be awesome. So here we go. Let's take another little tour around it. Let me know your thoughts on it, what you're thinking. I may actually try and stretch some of these roots out wider later on and drop it down even lower, in all honesty. But I have lots of thoughts. I'm just going to spend some time re-looking this video right here as it spins around and see what I can see from a different angle. Alright, thank you for coming along on this journey with me in this video. If you enjoy my content, you should subscribe to my channel. If you like this video, you should give it a thumbs up. If you're checking it out and you have a suggestion or something, leave a comment. Comments greatly help me out. They actually help all of us out on YouTube if you throw comments in. So anytime you have the ability or time or want to put a comment in, throw the comment in. Even if you say something bad in the comment saying you have no idea what you're doing, that comment still helped me. So go ahead, you can even throw that comment in there. But if you really like all my content, you should subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. That way you're notified every time I release a new video. Thank you.